A nibble is, of course, half a bite. And in today's Tech Nibble, we're going to be looking at Grok Build. This is the second day that I'm doing a video about Grok Build. Yesterday's video was about how Grok Build was caught uploading your source code to a private Google Drive account owned by xAI, not the normal stuff you upload during the chat with the AI model, but separately loading up to a kind of a drive space up in the cloud. Now that got fixed, it got retested, and it was shown not to do it anymore. But of course, the confidence in Grok Build went downhill like that. Now, obviously, xAI want to get into this kind of coding agent space where Codex and Claude Code are doing very well at the moment, along with a few others. So they took the drastic move to suddenly open source Grok Build. Now that was a wise thing to do. They've kind of showing the transparency they need to show. So they said, no, that's it, we're open sourcing it. And this is really just an attempt to cover up this major faux pas where they were just uploading this code to a private Google Drive area. So they want to show some transparency now and say, no, 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 that was a mistake. We don't do that. This is what we're going to do. Now, that's good, and it was the best thing to do. And you've got to take your hat off to people like Elon or to other people there who made that decision to recover very quickly from this situation. However, two things to note. One is that the license is actually very, very permissive. It's not GPL. It's an Apache 2 license, which is anyone can take it and fork it and use it in their own commercial product without any problems whatsoever. So that's interesting because it does open the way for people to look at how this works and then build their own system. The second thing to note is that you can't contribute to it. So basically what they're saying is this is just a dump of the source code for transparency. We develop it internally, says xAI, or SpaceXAI as it's now called. We develop it internally, and then from time to time we just dump it out onto this GitHub repository so you can see what's there. So they're not making it a community project. It's not for everyone to get involved. It's purely for transparency, and that's just a reaction to the big mistake from yesterday. Love to hear your thoughts. Do let me know in the comments below.